Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome and I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my friend's makeup for her photo shoot. So with that said, let's go right into the video. So I already did the eyebrows off camera. Look at those beautiful brows. So I already did her eyebrows off camera and also applied concealer on her eyelid. So the next step now, I'm going in with a setting powder to set the concealer in place before going ahead to start applying eyeshadow. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette right here. This is from Juvia's Place. So to start, I'm going in with the first transition shade. So I'm just going ahead to apply that on the crease, and also I'm going to make sure to blend out the edge of the line to kind of fade it out a bit before going ahead to add in the second transition color. So the second transition color or shade that I'm going to be applying is to kind of brighten it up a bit. So not too bright, not too dark, just to add a little bit of burnt orange kind of look to it. So as you can see right here, I'm going in with the second transition shade and I'm focusing that on the edge of the first shade I applied earlier. Just make sure to blend it out, blend and blend. So for this eye look, I'm not really going for dark smoky eye. I just need something to kind of give you like a shadow on the on the picture. So I'm just yeah, so nothing crazy. It's not like a dramatic smoky eye look. I just need like, again, just a little bit of shadow around the eyes. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm going ahead to cut the crease using a concealer. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer in place before going ahead to apply the eyeshadow. So right now I'm going ahead to set the concealer in place. Okay, so moving on to the next step, I'm going in with a small flat eyeshadow brush. It's not really flat, it's a bit fluffy. So I'm using that to apply the first shade of eyeshadow. And okay, so next I'm going in with the second shade and I'm focusing that on the inner side of the eyes, as you can see right here, and I'm going to fade it into the first color. So my camera stopped recording. I look away for a few minutes and yeah, the camera stopped recording. So I didn't get the rest of the clips, but I did apply eyelash and eyeliner on the eyes of camera. So you can see right here. So the next step now, I'm just going ahead to wipe off some of the fallout before going ahead to apply primer, foundation, and all of that. Okay, so for foundation today we are using Fancy Beauty foundation. So I'm just going ahead to pump a little bit on my hand, and next I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation brush and apply that on her skin. Okay, so moving on to concealer, I'm going ahead to apply liquid concealer under her eyes, and also I'm going to be applying that on her forehead, the bridge of her nose, and also her chin to kind of highlight those areas. So next I'm going in with the blending sponge, and I'm going ahead to blend that out. Okay, so next I'm going ahead to set the areas I applied the concealer using translucent setting powder from Inglot. And I'm going ahead to use the regular powder to set the rest of her face. Okay, so right now I'm going in with a little bit of a powder contour to kind of contour her cheek, and also I'm going to be using that to add a little bit of shadow on her forehead, and also I'm going to be contouring her nose using the powder contour. So I'm doing that. I'm contouring her nose using a small angle fluffy brush. Blend, 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 and blend. Okay, so next I went ahead and applied blush on her cheek off camera. So right now I'm just going ahead to add in highlight. And oh, I also highlight her brow bone off camera. Okay, so went ahead and applied the lipstick off camera, and also add in setting spray off camera. So here you go. Here is the final result of the makeup look for the photo shoot. Okay, a little to your right, a little to your left. Open your eyes, look at the camera. Beautiful, beautiful smile. Oh yeah, fine Peking, fine Peking. See you, that's what the best in born. See this kind fine Peking, no more. Yes, thank you all so much for watching, and please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And also, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for popping by today, and I'll see you all in my next one.